Hello everyone, I Namrata Rathore, Assistant Professor of Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry in Smriti College of Pharmaceutical Education, Indu. Today we discuss about the triphenyl methane. What is triphenyl methane? Triphenyl methane is a hydrocarbon having the molecular formula is C6H5 whole thrice CH. It is a formula of trimethyl. It is a formula of triphenyl methane. Triphenyl methane is colorless solid and it is soluble in non-polar organic solvent and insoluble in water molecule. But the basic skeleton of many synthetic dyes called trimethane dyes. These dyes are pH indicator and some of them are fluorescent indicator. It is a introduction of triphenyl methane. The trial group indicate the triphenyl methane group. Example is trial chloride and triphenyl methane radical or trial radical. It is an example of triphenyl methane. Now discuss about the structure. It is a structure of triphenyl methane. There are three phenyl rings attached each other, first, second and third. The pK of hydrogen on the central carbon atom is 33. The acidity of triphenyl more than that of hydrocarbon become the trial anion is stabilized by delocalization over 3-phenyl ring. Since delocalization does not occur over all the phenyl ring due to steric effect, each ring forces the other two out of the coplanarity forming a 3-vanillin fan. The delocalization occurs only if the p orbital of the atomic carbon is parallel to the p orbital of one of the phenyl ring. So this structure is triphenyl methane. The trianion strongly absorb in the visible region and make it red. The color is used as an indicator for maintaining anhydrous condition with calcium hydride. Reaction between the hydride reagent and water form solid calcium hydroxide, which is the strong base with the ability to generate trial anion. If the hybrid is completely consumed, the solution becomes colorless. Before butyl lithium and related strong base come into the use of trial sodium was employed as a strong and non-nucleophilic base. It is information about the structure. Now discuss about the synthesis. The triphenyl methane is prepared by the following method. The first method is when 6H5 when starting material is phenyl. There take 2 moles of phenyl react in the presence of benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride is C6H5CHCl2. Benzyl chloride. When phenyl react with benzyl chloride in the presence of aluminium chloride. The formation of trimethane. Triphenyl methane C6H5 whole thrice CH and remaining compound is HCl. It is a triphenyl methane and hydrochloric 2 moles of hydrogen. When starting material is phenyl and benzyl chloride react in the presence of LCl3, the formation of triphenyl methane and remaining compound is HCl. The second step is when benzene react with chloroform. When C6H6 benzene, there are at 3 moles of benzene and C6Cl3 chloroform. स्टार्टिंग प्रोडक्ट क्या लिया हमने, बेंजीन रिएक्ट विद क्लोरोफॉर्म इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एल्यूमिनियम क्लोराइड. द फॉर्मिंग benzene when react with chloroform in the presence of aluminum chloride, the formation of again C6H5 whole thrice and CH plus 3 HCl. It is a structure of again triphenyl and HCl. Triphenyl methane and HCl. So it is the second step of triphenyl methane. The third step is when the benzaldehyde react with, it is a structure of benzaldehyde C6H5CHO. Benzaldehyde react with CHO, the formation in the presence of zinc chloride. Zinc chloride. When benzaldehyde react with CHO in the presence of zinc chloride, the formation of again C6H5 whole thrice CH triphenyl methane and remaining compound is water. All the reaction, all the synthesis of triphenyl methane. Now discuss about the reaction. Next topic is, next point is reaction. Reaction of triphenyl methane. Triphenyl methane having a melting point is 93 degrees Celsius is the parent substance of triphenyl methane dyes. It is undergoes the following reaction. First is the undergoes the bromination to yield triphenyl. First condition is reaction. It is undergoes bromination to yield triphenyl methane bromide. The formula is triphenyl bromide. The second reaction is undergoes oxidation to yield triphenyl carbinol. Is a structure of triphenyl carbonate. The third point is it is an acidic. More the diphenyl methane and the conjugated base is stabilized. It is stabilized by the resonance. Those on the treatment with the sodium in ethyl solution or in the liquid and liquid ammonia, its yield is triphenyl methane sodium. When react the triphenyl sodium, when they react the triphenyl methane with sodium, the formation of triphenyl sodium and hydrogen is a third reaction of triphenyl methane. The last reaction is triphenyl methane sodium is also formed by the treatment of triphenyl methyl chloride with the sodium amalgam. All are the reaction of triphenyl methane. Now discuss about the medical uses of triphenyl methane. Triphenyl methane dyes having the following medical uses. The first, these dyes are used the medical and experimental biological. Example is cytology, histology and microbiology to stain cell. The second uses, the melted green and crystal violet are the some triphenyl methane dyes processing and antibacterial, antifungal and antiprotozoal properties. These are the also used in medical disinfectants. All are the uses of triphenyl methane. Now discuss about the derivative. Triphenyl methane derivative prepared by the synthetic method. So there are three derivatives of triphenylmethane. The first is triphenylmethyl chloride, yeah, trityl chloride, trityl chloride. The second is triphenyl carbinol, and third is tetraphenyl methane. All are the derivatives of triphenyl methane. Thank you.